Hi everyone, Super Mini is so cool. Welcome to Mini Roots channel. Today we will introduce a dual-port mini PC to you. It's M1 of Mini Roots. M1 also has a 4 internet port form which we have introduced to you in our previous video. Now you see, it looks like a small Rubik's Cube with the 3 beautiful colors, black, blue, and green. It's really too mini and cute. Let's measure it. It's about 7.5 centimeters in length, 7.5 centimeters in width, and 5.5 centimeters in height. And the weight of M1 is only about 340 grams. Although the size of M1 is small, it is equipped with Intel 12th generation CPU such as N100, N200, i3-N305, so it has strong performance. Now you must be very interested, right? Let's go and have a look. First, let me show you the appearance of M1. It's so beautiful. The casing is made of aluminum alloy and adopts CNC technology. You see, on such a small shell, there are covered cooling fins, decorative grooves, cooling holes, and bright stripe. The all-metal casing can help the internal fan dissipate heat. When M1 is running, you may notice that its casing is heating up. Don't worry, this indicates that it is working properly. Then I will show you the interfaces of M1. This Type-C is a power socket. The DC power with supply is 12 volt 3 ampere or 12 volt 5 ampere. This power socket also supports PD power supply. Generally, PD power requires a power supply for 55 watts or above, and protocol of 15 volt or 20 volt, such as these two models. These are two 2.5G Ethernet ports. The mode of the network card is Intel i2-26V. The transmission speed of these network ports can reach up to 2,500 megabytes per second. Whether it's implementing high-speed internet access in Windows 11 or serving as a high-speed intelligent gateway in pfSense or MikroTik, it's all very cool. This is a USB 3.0 interface of Type A. On the other side, there are two USB 3.1 interfaces of Type A. These three USB interfaces can effectively meet office needs. These are two HDMI 2.0 interfaces. All can support 4K 60Hz display. They can achieve 3 screen display together with the Type-C on the other side. How convenient it is when you need to multi-screen office. Unlike the power socket, this Type-C does not support supplying power to M1. It only supports 4K 60Hz display of DP 1.4 protocol and data transmission of USB 3.1. Of course, it can have a 10-watt power output, which can drive a low-power portable screen. Next to this Type-C interface, there is a TF card socket. We can use it to expand storage and also install some simple Linux systems into TF card. Because M1 supports TF card system booting. Interesting, we don't even need SSD in some cases. Turn around. This is an audio interface that makes it convenient for us to connect audio devices. This is a switch button. M1 supports starting on power, so it is rarely used. Of course, you can also disable this feature in BIOS and use this button to turn on or off. On both sides are the cooling windows of the fan, and we can see the aluminum fins inside. These small 4 screw holes are comfortable for us to install or mounted screws and hang M1 on the wall or monitor. We adopt a comfortable disassembly design for the top cover, which can be directly removed. Then we can see the SSD and Wi-Fi socket inside. On the top, we can insert SSD, which is based on the M.2 NVMe protocol. The SSD socket occupies 2 PCIe channels and can theoretically run up to 2000 MB per second. It's also compatible with M.2 SATA protocol. At the bottom, we can insert a Wi-Fi card, such as Intel AX210 NGW, Realtek 8852BE. If you need to use a wireless LED card, it's recommended to use it with a fiberglass cover to prevent the metal cover from blocking the signal. After installing the SSD and Wi-Fi card, we just need to cover the top cover. Easy? Moreover, the heat from the SSD can be transferred to the cover through the thermal block and dissipated through the turbo fins. Next, let's disable the casing. As you can see, M1 is very creative, using a structure of stacking the COM board and I/O board. FPC connection is used between them. The COM board is equipped with COM components such as CPU and memory, and the I/O board can adopt different designs to achieve different functions. You can see this is the CPU chip. Here are onboard memory, usually from Samsung or Magnolia brands. There are 2 capacities to choose for memory particles, 8 GB and 16 GB. This is the radiator of M1. In addition to the fan, it is also equipped with copper thermal block and double copper fibers. Therefore, the temperature control performance of M1 is excellent. When in standby mode, the CPU temperature is around 55 centigrade and the fan speed is around 2,200 rounds per minute. When stress testing, the CPU temperature is controlled at below 90 centigrade and the fan speed is around 2,600 rounds per minute. By combining different CPU, memory, and SSD, different performance requirements can be met. You can buy it on Amazon or our official website. This is M1. I believe you will like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.